You got it. Your face was funny.
Stay tuned. Oh, it goes on left. That's how it looks like.
This is the sauce.
Yeah.
Don't you dare.
Right.
I got some photos. Do you want to get a paper towel and put it here?
Yep.
So you can...
Nah.
It's raining. How are you going to do this? With foil? Are you going to wrap it in foil and put it in?
No.
Or just put it on the thing?
Yeah. Just guys, I think I showed you earlier.
You still don't know what you're making.
What am I making? Any ideas now? It's lasagna. You're making lasagna. Ah, you know what else we need? It's in here, guys. It's in here. What's this?
It's my favourite cheese. Put this up there or put it in the fridge?
In the fridge. Now you don't see it. You know what? You know what I'm going to do, guys? Make
Have
it
a
cheesy.
piece. I want to taste it. I love Parmesan cheese.
Okay, that's enough cheese. This rest is going to go on top. It's going to be a chunky chicken lasagna.
Have you made it before?
Yep.
With chicken? I've never had chicken lasagna. I've only had beef, like with mince.
But I haven't had chicken, chunky chicken.
Oh, okay. Have you done it with mince?
Yeah, minced.
Your own minced? Like, did you mince
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
in that machine inside.
Yep. We might use that, we might not.
That's what cheese stuck. Good.
I'm enjoying these.
Yum.
Yeah.
Do you have to spray the thing first with oil or not? It doesn't stick.
You just do it stick.
Do you want me to hold it? Oh, you got it. Do you want me to do the oil?
Yeah.
You got it.
I don't know about that one. Okay.
Good. They fit good. Oh.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to do one layer of lasagna sheet?
Yep.
Then
Right.
chicken.
Yep.
Then lasagna sheet again. Are you going to do one more layer of chicken? Or are you just going to do one layer of chicken?
2 layers.
Okay. Do you want me to put it in now?
Yep.
Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You do it.
Okay.
I'll supervise.
Make sure I'm doing a good job. And then we'll pour the sauce over the top once we've put all the chicken out?
Yep.
Okay. Good for the first layer?
Yep. That's pretty much it. Guys. And then I don't have to cook these plates because it's going to be cooked. Okay, layer.
Yeah. Oopsie. Making a mess.
Yeah. Do you want all that on top?
Yeah. Do you want to do some cheese on this layer or on top of the...
On top.
Maybe do that and then I'll pour the rest of the sauce on top and then put cheese on top.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
We're doing this together as a team.
And then I'll pour this on top. Do you want to turn the stove off so I don't... Hold on.
You can put more sauce.
Oh yeah, maybe we'll do a little bit more. I'll try and... Shall I tip it straight on that or put it in here, mix it and then...
and mix it. Yeah.
That's probably enough.
Tasty.
Okay.
Maybe just spread it out a little bit.
Yeah, do you want to do that?
Yep.
Use the back of the spoon. Yeah, like that.